Fire up the number track applet and this is what you see. The location of 0 is shown here. If I click a square to the right of 0, its value is displayed in blue. There's 2 and there's 9. Click the 9 a second time and it's hidden once more. For larger numbers, I need to move further along the track. I can do this in steps of 1 or in larger steps of 10. And again, clicking on a square shows its value. To display all the numbers, click Show All. To remove them, click Hide All. Moving further right, you can see that the biggest number on this number track is 99, but the number track in your mind goes on forever. Go back to 0 now by clicking this left 10 button, and I'll start to look for patterns. I can mark out the even numbers. This involves going up in steps of 2. What's the next number in this sequence and where is it? Yes, it's this one, and I'm expecting a 10. And it is. Something you might like to try with young children is to click on a number, say 7, and ask them to guess the position of a nearby number, say this one. They can check if they're right by clicking on it. This is something that they'll really get better at with practice, and it'll help them to develop a useful mental picture of where each number is in relation to its neighbours. Just moving to the left may be where the child discovers that there are numbers less than 0. These have been marked in red with a little dash in front of them. There's a symmetry with these red and blue numbers with 0 in the middle. So if 4 is here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to the right of 0, then minus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to the left of 0. Similarly, if this is 6, then minus 6 is an equal distance on the other side of 0. Children can use the number track to help grasp addition and subtraction. For example, here's 6. To add 3, I take 1, 2, 3 steps to the right, which gets to 9. So 6 add 3 is 9. Starting at 9, I can subtract 5 by taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to the left, which gives 4. So 9 subtract 5 is 4, and so on. Now I'll start with 2 and subtract 5. Who says you can't take bigger from smaller? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that takes us into the negative numbers. The answer is minus 3. So there are many big ideas to discover here. For example, numbers increase to the right and decrease to the left. Also, adding positive numbers involves a movement to the right, and subtracting them is a movement to the left. And they'll find out that the smallest number is not 0. In fact, there are many, many numbers to the left of 0. They're called the negative numbers, and they obey the same rules as the positive numbers. And that's the number track.